Hi everyone, my name is Lisa Kerr. I go by Lisa, and I am from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. I was raised there for the majority of my life, and then I moved to Pennsylvania early 2017. I have an undergraduate degree that was individually contracted, so I basically created my own degree because my university didn't have the major that I wanted at the time. So my degree is composed of like a lot of sociology classes and ethnic courses with some business courses as well. Um, my professional background is that after college, I got an opportunity to work at a kinship nonprofit agency as a permanency case manager. And I did that for about almost like 5 years in Philly. And then I moved from Philly to Pittsburgh, and that's where I currently live now. And I work in community mental health at another nonprofit agency. Um, I have considered how spirituality and religion shows up in my work. It showed up a lot when I was a permanency case manager, only because I would help families through the adoption process. And a part of the adoption process is talking about spirituality and religion. And so a lot of my families did express their thoughts around that. And we had like brief conversations in regards to how the child would be, if they would have freedom of their own religion and if what type of religion the family already participated in. So I got comfortable having those conversations, and that was my first experience seeing how spirituality and religion shows up in social work. And overall, my thoughts on spirituality and social work is that I'm really excited to learn more on how it shows up or intertwines with social work, and how us as social workers can be better equipped to meet clients where they're at in reference to their spirituality, and using that as like a tool to help them build strengths, or recognizing that for some clients it can be more so on the spirituality can more so be a negative experience, and just being better equipped to meet clients where they're at in terms of their spirituality and religion. So those are my thoughts on it, and I'm excited to learn as much as I can in this course with you guys. Happy week 1.